Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. So in this video, we'll show you how you can download and install a theme in ThemeForest, and also after purchasing the theme, I will show you how you can install the theme on your WordPress dashboard. So as you can see, I'm now on the ThemeForest platform, and directly after purchasing the theme, the next step you will do is you go to your profile. As you can see, click on your profile and select the download. As you can see, so now directly you will see the theme that you did purchase from ThemeForest, and here is a download button, and you can see on the download button there is multiple options such as download all the file and documentation, or you can download only the installable WordPress files, which I recommend. Uh, so let's download the installable WordPress file only. As you can see, and as you can see here on those two last option, you have the license certificate and purchase code as a text, and directly by clicking on that you will be able to download your purchase code and or certificate code, which will help you to establish your team on WordPress and activate your team. And basically, after downloading your team, the next step is to go to your appearance and then team, as you can see, and click on add team here. Then click on upload theme. And directly you can upload theme in this section by drag and drop or choose file, as you can see, and click on install now. Or if you face any issues, you can do that directly by going into your hosting provider. So in your hosting provider, log into your cPanel, and then so that's the second method that you can use. So basically, after logging into your cPanel, so as you can see now, we are logged into our cPanel, and the next thing is you go directly to the file section, and you click precisely on File Manager, as you can see. So after clicking on File Manager, it will redirect you directly into a place where all your website files are stored. Your WordPress website files are stored here. So the next thing is we need to go into the place where our themes are stored. So by going on public HTML, then WP content, and here you can see a folder called themes. So now in this folder you have all the themes that are available in your WordPress website, and what you need to do is you need to click on upload, and then select your WordPress installable files, as you can see. And wait for the upload. Uh, the best thing about this is there is no restriction or any of that in this method, because you are uploading the files directly into your hosting without using the WordPress platform. So after that, you will go back to your website, as you can see, and in under the section Themes, you will find your theme. And once you click on Activate, as you can see here, your theme will be activated. And the last thing to do is configure your theme and add the purchase code, which is important for your team to be active and activated. And as I did mention at the beginning, for the purchase code, you can download the PDF that contain your purchase or your license certificate, or you can directly download a text code that contains all those informations. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you did understand how you can download and configure your purchase team on ThemeForest. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave me a like and a comment. Thank you for watching.